A piece of cake. Mastering English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we've got a sweet treat for you. We're going to explore the meaning behind the phrase, a piece of cake. If you've ever found yourself puzzled by this delicious-sounding idiom, worry not. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just its meaning but also how to use it in your daily conversations. When someone says something was a piece of cake, they're not talking about their latest baking adventure. Instead, they're using a popular idiom to express that something was very easy to do or accomplish. The phrase conveys a sense of simplicity and the absence of difficulty, similar to how easy and enjoyable it is to eat a piece of cake. The exact origin of a piece of cake is a bit murky, but it's widely believed to have become popular in the 20th century. Some sources suggest that it originated from the easy distribution of cakes as prizes in competitions, where the winning task was as simple as taking a slice of cake. Over time, this phrase evolved into a metaphor for accomplishing something with ease. Understanding how to use an idiom in context is key to mastering it. Here are a few examples. After all the practice, the piano exam was a piece of cake. Don't worry about setting up the new software, it's a piece of cake. I thought the puzzle would be hard, but it turned out to be a piece of cake. Notice how the phrase can be used in various situations, from completing tasks to solving problems, always indicating that the activity was not difficult. Idioms are an essential part of sounding natural in English, but they can be tricky to remember. Here are a few tips. Relate the idiom to personal experiences. If you've done something easily, remind yourself that it was a piece of cake. Practice using the idiom in sentences. The more you use it, the more naturally it will come to you. Listen for idioms in movies, TV shows, and conversations. Contextual learning is incredibly effective. And there you have it, a complete guide to understanding and using the phrase, a piece of cake. We hope this video has made the idiom as easy to understand as it is to eat an actual piece of cake. Remember, mastering English takes time and practice, but with each idiom you learn, you're one step closer to fluency. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language learning content. See you in the next video.